Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Madhulika, for joining in. We are on chapter number 21, which talks about being defensive from this beautiful book, Master Your Emotions. Being defensive. हमारे against कोई भी कुछ बोलता है ना तो we very quickly become defensive. Would you agree with it? Let me quickly start sharing the book so that we can start reading. What does author have to share about um, being defensive? Being defensive. Our love of being right is best understood by our fear of being wrong. हम सब चाहते हैं राइट कि हम राइट हो और हम जो बोल रहे हैं वो राइट ही है, हम ये भी समझते हैं। इसीलिए हमारे को जब भी कोई मना करता है, कुछ बोलता है कि ये नहीं नहीं ये ऐसे नहीं ऐसे है, तो यू गेट डिफेंसिव। नहीं नहीं नहीं, दिस इज नॉट हाउ इट इज, दिस इज हाउ इट इज, राइट? डू यू कॉन्स्टेंटली जस्टिफाई योरसेल्फ? Are you offended whenever someone insults you or disrespects you? There are very specific reasons why you get defensive. By becoming conscious of these reasons, you will learn a lot about yourself and be able to let go of that desire to defend yourself. First, let's see why you get defensive. Why you get defensive? The need to defend yourself stems from your desire to protect your story or your ego. Every time your ego is threatened, you get triggered and feel the need to defend it. I believe there are three main reasons why you are triggered. Number one, there is a part of truth in what you were told. Number two, you believe there is a part of truth in what you were told. And number three, a core belief you hold has been attacked. ठीक है. Note that because we all have different stories, what triggers you might not trigger someone else. ये हमको भी पता है, ये हमने बहुत बार ऐसे नोटिस भी किया है। मेरे को आके कोई बोल देता तुम्हारा सेशन अच्छा नहीं है तो आई एम ओके विद इट। आई एम लाइक हाँ ठीक है, थैंक यू फॉर टेलिंग बिकॉज आई नो दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प मी यू नो शिफ्ट समथिंग इन इट। ऑन द अदर हैंड आई हैव अ फ्रेंड जिसको जाके अगर मैं बोल दूं या कोई कोई भी बोल दे तुम्हारा सेशन बेकार था, अच्छा नहीं था, ये था वो था, शी फील्स वेरी हर्ट। शी लाइक हाय मैंने इतनी मेहनत करी थी, दिस दैट ब्ला ब्ला। सो वी डू नॉट गेट ट्रिगर्ड विद द सेम थिंग। We all have different kind of triggers. There is a part of truth in what you were told. Someone mentioned something that is true about you and it hurts. For instance, he or she may accuse you of procrastinating on a certain project. Your inability to accept that truth is the reason you become defensive. When the topic is brought up, it triggers emotional reactions such as anger, denial, or self criticism. So from whenever my daughter talks to me, afternoon में स्कूल से आके उसको 2-3 राउंड पार्क के जरूर काटने हैं just to talk. And my duty and responsibility at that time is not to say anything about whatever she is saying. क्यों? क्योंकि the moment I will open my mouth saying something, she will become defensive. She will, shut herself up and not share anything anymore. Hi, Anita. Thank you for joining in. How many of you have, seen this kind of behavior either in yourself or maybe people around you? Even कल हम बात कर रहे थे खाना अच्छा बनना और बुरा बनने की। तो दिस ऑल्सो ब्रिंग्स कि अगर आपके हस्बैंड ने आपको बोल दिया खाना अच्छा नहीं बना है, यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग हर्ट, राइट? और आप डिफेंसिव भी हो जाते हो साथ ही साथ। नहीं नहीं मैंने तो बहुत अच्छे से बनाया था, अरे मेरे साथ भी होता ही है, ये तो मेरे साथ भी हुआ है। बिकॉज whenever my husband says आज तो खाना ऐसा ही बना है, गंदा बना है, आई लुक एट माई किड्स, खाना गंदा बना है, खाना गंदा बना है, देखो ये तो बोल रहे हैं खाना तो ठीक बना है, आप ही का मुंह का टेस्ट खराब है, राइट? लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम यू, मधुलिका। डू यू हैव एनीथिंग टू शेयर ऑन दिस?
Yeah, I think there is um, mm, our emotions really play a vital role in our actions. Whatever actions we take,
Hmm.
the major role play, or I'll say the role player is only the emotions. And the emotions that get triggered whenever we feel something bad about us or maybe something wrong about us, the emotions that triggers is right anger, fear, self-doubt, criticism.
Hmm.
The point over here is that we must know how to now channelize this emotion,
Absolutely.
right? And before reacting, let that emotion travel from our, from our emotional brain to the logical brain. That is the prefrontal cortex that we say. Let it travel over there and let it come back, and then let us decide. There are so many options. Even
Hmm.
before we respond, there are so many options that are open for us. Maybe it could be, okay, I accept that khana aaj acha nahi bana. Rather, I was not in a good mood to cook.
Hmm.
First thing. Or I can say, or there can be so many different uh, response to that, that yes, maybe you're right. Or maybe there could be one more response कि मुझे आज ऐसे ही बनाना था, आज मुझे आज मुझे लौकी पतली खानी थी, यू नो
True.
जैसे, हाँ, कि आज ही मैंने अपनी टेस्ट का ही बनाया, आज मेरी टेस्ट का खा के देखो, है ना।
Hmm.
हाँ हाँ, मैं तो रोज ही खराब बनाती हूँ, है
मुझे
ना।
तो खाना बनाना ही नहीं आता।
मुझे तो खाना बनाना ही
लगा
नहीं
लो,
आता।
लगा लो,
हाँ,
मिर्च लगा लो।
है ना। So there can be so many responses to that. So let us choose the best response. First of all, let the emotion travel to your prefrontal cortex. So give it a moment, just breathe in, breathe out, and then decide what will be the best way to handle this situation and what is the best response I can give, and then respond to the situation, I think.
Wonderful. Thank you for sharing that, Madhurika. And let's hear it from you, Anita. आप क्या बोलोगे? Do you agree with it?
Mm, it happens with me also that I shared earlier also that someone in the college if comments about my clothing or anything, I simply rather than getting angry or anything, I simply take the suggestion that their advice that they may be saying, is it true for me? Should I go upgrade myself in my dressing sense? Right? Then by time I try to move on, that I should change something in me. That
Hmm.
they're saying me for my betterment. Right? Sometimes at the first point, it's maybe it hurts that I can give response to them at that time. But internally, I think a lot that what I should need to be changed in this. That's what I do.
वंडरफुल बिकॉज व्हाट वी कैन कंट्रोल आई थिंक उसको हमको उसके ऊपर तो काम कर ही लेना चाहिए। अभी मेरे को कोई बोल रहा है कि तू मोटी है करिश्मा, तू मोटी है, अब मैं उसके साथ जबरदस्ती लड़ती हूँ, तुझको तो तू पागल है, तेरे को तो दिखाई ऐसा देता, तुझको दिखाई देता है। अरे दिल में तो मुझे भी पता है कि मैं मोटी हूँ एंड आई कैन वर्क ऑन इट एंड आई कैन गेट स्लिमर।
Yes.
राइट। हाय
And
राखी,
another
थैंक यू फॉर
thing,
जॉइनिंग इन।
if more than one person is commenting to you about anything, na, like looks or your eating habits, any habits, then it's a time that you should change yourself. You should think of changing yourself.
एब्सोल्युटली। हेलो कोमल, थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग इन।
Yeah,
आई
hi
वांट टेक।
Karishma. Beg to differ. I don't know what was the context.
हाँ हाँ।
If more than one person giving you feedback, it doesn't mean that it is that it is that we have to change. Until and unless we feel that we have to change, we don't have to change.
No, if
This is
anyone is
my
giving us feedback, that also their point, they may be our circle
No,
na,
it
it
is
will
our
feel
choice,
safe in that place.
it is our choice
Yeah.
कि हमने उस
Yeah.
फीडबैक को एज जीपीएस लेना कि हाँ ठीक है, लेट मी चेक ऑन माई सेल्फ, और यू स्टे रेजिस्टेंट कि भैया मेरा मर्जी, मेरे को जो करना होगा मैं देख लूंगी.
Right. Everyone is having his
Yeah.
own
हाँ,
circle,
to
na?
taking
So
the
Because the
it
feedback
thing is,
positively and working on it. If your self-esteem is high, without beating yourself, if you are taking the feedback positively, then it
I
is
think
good. If you are allowing yourself to beat that, हाय दो लोग ऐसे बोले, चार लोग ऐसे बोले, मेरा क्या हो रहा है? शायद मैं
This
गलत
is
हूँ.
about
This is
Rakesh talking about when lot of people are different than our
negatively pointing at your
nature.
weight
सेल्फ
or
क्रिटिसिज्म
your
नहीं
look.
आना चाहिए, दैट इज.
नेगेटिव कुछ नहीं है, बस परसेप्शन उनका अगर डिफरेंट है, पर्सपेक्टिव उनको सपोज हमारे करियर
Usually
का
क्या
नहीं
होता
पता.
है, lot of people they don't know when women are crossing 40 45, they are hitting perimenopause or something, they usually go through that weight thing, and it is not in their control, and people are good and they want them to look good, and I have also put on lot of weight, actually 8 kg overweight. Okay, so if people keep telling, I know that this is the phase that I'm struggling, I'm 45 and I have put on weight and I have some certain challenges that I cannot go ahead and become slimmer version of myself in a day or two. But I don't allow anyone saying, "हाँ, तुम सही कह रहे हो," and I will see to it how I can work on that. Suppose if somebody says that तुम मोटी हो रही हो, and then I also know that I'm putting on. But if I take their feedback as that like I'm not beautiful, मैं तो काली लग रही हूँ, मैं ऊपर से मोटी लग रही हूँ, पेट बाहर निकल आ रहा है, एंड देन आई एम लुकिंग बल्की, ये सेल्फ एस्टीम को अफेक्ट करेगा. दैट इज द पॉइंट लाइक आई वांटेड टू
But
पुट.
I think take this feedback as positive that what can I change, right? Is there some advice, right? Suggestion. Everyone is not good in everything. We can say that.
दैट
Like,
यू शुड हैव
I
इट इन
don't,
योर माइंड, बिकॉज चार लोगों का काम रहता है चार बातें सुनाना, एंड देन इफ यू आर नॉट वेल equipped to handle them, unknowingly you'll start beating yourself, not on the weight per se, but you'll start beating yourself elsewhere. वहां का गुस्सा लेके कहीं और डालना शुरू कर देते हैं. We should be mindful of that.
Wow. Thank you, Rakhi, for sharing that. All right, let's go to point number 2.
Karishma, may I share one thing over here?
Yes, please, Madhulika.
Yeah, it's not related to the topic, and that's why I won't take long. I just want to convey one thought that now I have made a disconnect from the looks, the weight, the color of the skin, kali, gori, bal safed, kale, from beauty. Being beautiful is totally different. And being luck 28, Kurida 47, I mean, that is totally different. And being beautiful is totally different.
Absolutely.
And that's why I can't even do, मतलब मुझसे हो भी नहीं पाता Zumba. The type of songs they play and all that, मैं नहीं कर पाती क्योंकि मैं वो resist ही नहीं कर पाती. Because I had made such a big disconnect with all this that beauty don't have these parameters, and I think we all should stop talking about this because और लड़कियों को ब्यूटीफुल बहुत सुंदर लग रही है, ऐसे बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. I mean, they relate our daughters with only being beautiful. You know, there is एक कंडीशनिंग होती जा रही है कि
I will
लड़कियों को
tell you,
beautiful ही होना
Madhulika,
है.
for the longest period of time, my life, I've been always complimented. आज तो तू बहुत सुंदर लग रही है. And you know, since last 2-3 years, whenever my parents at least tell me आज सुंदर लग रही है, I ask them, ये माला खाली है क्या मेरा? Talk about that.
Exactly, right. और बेटियों के दिमाग में भी ना, to being beautiful is such a big thing. मतलब to be beautiful, to look beautiful. Why can't we relate our daughters, the younger one, the young girls? Wow, you're so smart. You're so outgoing. You're so
Exactly.
strong. Why can't we say that you are strong?
Absolutely.
नहीं कि आप तो बहुत स्ट्रांग हो, आप तो टायर चेंज कर लेते हो अपने आप. We don't encourage those things.
Very well said.
So that's it.
Thank you for sharing that, Madhurika.
Thanks.
All right, let's go to point number 2 that says you believe there is a part of truth in what you were told. You were told something you believe to be true and feel hurt. In this case, the criticism you received may be unfounded, yet you still feel hurt. Why is that? It's because what you were told confirms the disempowering belief you hold about yourself. Oh, wait, just a minute. My battery level has gone low. All right, sorry. For instance, let's say you believe you aren't good enough. This belief pushes you to work harder than anybody else. Now, how would you feel if someone accused you of being lazy? You would feel offended, wouldn't you? However, that wouldn't be because, but because it's not audible.
Network issue, I think. You were not audible much. It
I
was
think
both.
he was not visible as well, na?
Yes, we can't see and hear you.
Your voice is breaking, Karishma.
Let me check. Let me check. लैपटॉप में कुछ हो रहा है. You can hear me. Am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible.
Wait a second.
You're audible, but we can't see your face. Now we can see your face.
हमें मेरा फेस देख के ही बात करनी है. जो ये सारे अपना ये बंद करके रहते हैं उनका क्या करूं? हाँ,
Now you're there.
चलो let me share the screen. Sorry about that.
बुक का फेस भी नहीं आ रहा था ना.
अच्छा, कुछ तो Zoom has stopped responding. That is what it is saying again. रुको, मैं दिख रही हूँ?
Yes, yes. Beautiful दिख रही हो.
यहाँ पे भी कुछ है मेरे.
Just kidding.
I used to, I used to feel so offended when my parents used to say that. मैं ये कहती थी सारी जिंदगी ब्यूटीफुल 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 करते रहते हो, कभी मेरे यहाँ पे भी कुछ झांक के देख लेते कुछ है कि नहीं है. All right, now since the network looks good, Zoom भी कुछ काम करता दिख रहा है, तो let me start sharing the screen. All right, we were on point number 2, which says you believe there is a part of truth in what you were told. You were told something you believe to be true and feel hurt. In this case, the criticism you received may be unfounded, yet you still feel hurt. And why is that? It's because what you were told confirms the disempowering belief you hold about yourself. For instance, let's say you believe you aren't good enough. This belief pushes you to work harder than anybody else. Now, how would you feel if someone accused you for being lazy? You would feel offended, wouldn't you? However, that wouldn't be because you are actually lazy, but because of your belief that you should work harder. I too much resonate with this example because not exactly lazy wala, but जब भी मेरी मम्मी used to tell me आज थक गई है लगता है, I used to feel so offended because I felt that I should always be energetic, I should never be tired. That is the kind of belief that I was holding for myself. So
Where was that belief coming from?
I don't know, because I used to think that it was a taunt. I thought she, you know, she was taunting me, saying, "थक गई लगती है," types, you know.
ये थक गई मतलब काम नहीं कर पा रही, एंड यू थॉट आई हैव टू प्रूव मोर,
Exactly.
वर्क हार्डर.
Yes. So let's hear it from each one of you as to what is your perspective on this one. Have you faced any of such circumstances or things in your life? Let's hear it from you, Komal.
Yeah, that lazy thing can be described in different ways for some people, like people work. That is, they are not directly saying lazy or, matlab, हाँ, for I have seen in my family, sleeping becomes a issue. We can't even properly rest because they will think you are lazy. So my mom never could get like other people sleep. They have the position. My mom will just मतलब bed पे सो रहे हैं, but because people are commenting. It's like this. So mom, then brother, then me, everybody. It's like वो घर में पीछे से generational चला आ रहा है. It is like this, and I'll say because she may have heard those comments, and we are also getting those same comments. It's like nobody works and everybody just is lazy and मतलब जो भी words है ना. But it is not true. It is because हमने के belief वो सुन लिया होगा, है ना. और ट्राइंग टू वर्क हार्डर, सेम थिंग. लाइक थक गई पे लगा आपको, इधर मेरे भाई को गुस्सा आ जाता था अगर उसको लेजी बोल दिया, या मुझे भी. व्हाट इज दिस हाउस वर्क वी आर डूइंग ऑलरेडी. सो एवरीबडी गेट्स दैट. सो ये होता है जनरेशनल. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि this aunt is able to sleep very nicely, beautifully. Why mom is not? Maybe I thought rooms are built that way. Privacy नहीं है इतना कि वो बना ही ऐसा हुआ है कि मॉम कहती है थोड़ा सा सो जाऊं, तो डैड वुड से कि हाँ, बिकॉज पीपल कैन कम इन बेडरूम इटसेल्फ. सो बिल्ट ऐसा था पहले था कि बच्चे सेफ रहेंगे, तो व्हाट दे डिड, सारा बाहर का ओपन रख दिया एंड दे मेड इट समहाउ जैसा भी उन्हें मतलब उतना प्रिवेसी. एंड मॉम वाज लाइक हाँ मेरी क्या लाइफ है, मतलब शी गॉट इट लेटर एंड शी फेल्ट कि हाँ मेरा रूम, समथिंग लाइक दैट. और तो दैट इज शी ऑल्सो ट्राइज टू प्रूव हार्ड बाय वर्किंग हार्ड. और मतलब जितना उनसे होता है अभी भी ये है, काम करो बात नहीं, काम करो बात नहीं. सी नाउ यू कैन सी 2-3 days आई वाज लाइक है ना टेलिंग यू स्टॉप टॉकिंग. एंड नाउ her brothers will also be labeled ki kaam nahi. Then I was like, no, Papa, you can't say this. I am always rebellious. I am always disproving that they are working at office. Doesn't mean वो घर का जरूरी नहीं है. उनकी वाइफ का अपना वो है, मतलब they are setting. Why
Yeah,
should we comment? Why should my father comment on that? If all
absolutely.
four mamas are like Papa पे गए हैं अपने. तो Papa, I thought Nana was very nice. Why you are talking about Nana? He's no more even. You should not say these things. है ना? He passed away last year, and we were on that prayer ceremony of Nana. How can my father comment? I was fighting for that because I thought, be cautious when you are labeling anyone. I just wanted to teach, but mom is like, why you are teaching? Because my number is 3, I'm always a guru. I don't know. So my teacher advised that it's not your job. It is their parents' unfinished job, which was not done to father or mother. She was saying, not your job to teach them, because then I get in those mess, then my father would be, oh, why she got her. He understands, but it takes time to understand for him. He would just love to label कि बोल दो, करते नहीं, because father loves to do. अब पापा कर रहे हैं घर का, तो ये लाइक तुम्हारे ब्रदर नहीं कर रहे. बट आई वाज लाइक बिजनेस मैन है वो, बिजनेस क्या करते हैं. मतलब मेरे पापा सर्विस में थे, उधर वो बिजनेस मैन है, तो वो अपने अपने अकॉर्डिंग करेंगे. मेरे फादर इन लॉ नहीं करते कुछ, चाय का कप भी ना करें. तो इट्स एवरी पर्सन इज डिफरेंट. वही सब. तो यस, वी गेट ट्रिगर्ड व्हेन दिस कम्स अप, लेजी थिंग. मे बी वी होल्ड दैट बिलीफ समहाउ, मतलब सुना इतना ज्यादा होगा. So I don't know, because of criticism or it is our own belief. This book
Hmm.
is saying somehow you were holding it inside you.
Hmm.
That we'll have to check more. Yeah.
All right,
Because
thank
yeah,
you.
आप आपके सेल्फ वर्थ क्या होता है, कभी भी वो पूरी नहीं होती. मतलब जब, बिकॉज जब हमने ये लर्न नहीं किया था, आप डाउट हर चीज पे कर लेते हो, जो लोग बोल रहे हैं वो बिलीव कर लेते हो. normally. Yeah,
छोटे
thank
बच्चों के
you.
साथ भी यही होता है ना?
Same thing.
All right, thank you, Komal, for your sharing. Let's hear it from Madhulika.
Hi, thanks, Komal. That was a beautiful share indeed. Um, you all, if you remember, Karishma, when we got married, that reminds me of that time when we got married, we have to prove ourselves. We could not, I used to hide and take rest in the afternoons. Yeah, because it will be so bad on me because of the society norms, because of the expectations, unsaid expectations from us. Because it was never that it is my right to take rest. No. If I'll take rest in the afternoon, I'll be labeled as a lazy bahu. And I didn't want that label on me. So we all do that. Now, from a different perspective, if I label my child for being lazy, right, he'll get triggered. Obviously, he'll get triggered for sure. So, yeah, even, I mean, if you ask uh, the biggest of the biggest, um, Osama bin Laden, he will not even accept that he was wrong. He must be holding some belief to do that thing. He has his own mission. He must have his own mission, and according to that mission, everything, whatever he did was right. So no one accepts their mistakes, and we get triggered that whether it is our mistake or not, if we are projected as wrong, हमारी projection सही होनी बहुत जरूरी है. So yeah, this happens with all of us. This has happened. Maybe जब तक हमारा अपना intrapersonal relationship ठीक नहीं होता अपने आप से, till the time we face all these problems. So once we are sorted with ourselves, with our own self, that yeah, this is my boundary, this is what this is what I'm supposed to do, and this much I accept it. Okay, fine. If I'm lazy, I accept it. I mean, this is the way I am. When you are comfortable in your skin, then everything is okay.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing that, Madhulika. Let's hear it from Rakhi. Komal will come to you at the end.
Hi. I felt while growing up, whatever your self-worth or self-esteem is there, and how your household is there, like your parents and your relatives, siblings, whatever they have labeled, it has become your inner critic. When you grow up, it becomes so loud and clear for you that somebody else, just like that, if they comment, it becomes your inner critic will start becoming bigger and louder, that you are not good enough. मेरे लिए तो था, मेरा सेल्फ एस्टीम बहुत लो था, and then I used to feel like whenever somebody says something, and when it comes about not earning, I used to feel that I'm not worthy. And especially it was my dad. He always aspired all the three of us, me, my sister, my brother, we should be aspiring very high, earning and all that. And on top of it, I left my job when I was 40, I think. I left my job 40, 41. So it was a big jolt for him that I did not take any suggestion from him, advice from him. And I told him today was my last day. And he was like, what? I I made you an engineer not to get this news. What next? I said, I don't know. What next?
Wow.
So I took 2 years and lot of courage to stand on my own feet and tell that 42 years is enough, that I had listened to everybody and now I want to explore what I want. So that was a bit of a courage, and I struggled a lot actually to own my worthiness. Without making money also, I'm worthy. Just because I'm breathing, I exist, it's enough for me. So I started looking myself with my own worthy eyes. So that's how it changed. And it is very true. Somebody says something in just a passing comment, you feel that they purposely have told so that indirectly it should affect you. That is not the truth in case, because you somewhere believe that that is your truth. That's when they talk generally also, you feel that they're targeting you.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's what I do.
There are
Yeah.
so many times when we see people, laughing ऐसे corner पे खड़े होके, and you start feeling, मेरे पे हंस रहे क्या, मेरे पे हंस रहे क्या? वो अपनी चिट चैट कर रहे हैं. Why will they laugh at? Does everybody have only this job to laugh at you only? There is something that is inside of you that is bothering you, because of which you think that
And you have
people.
not addressed it. Why is it bothering you so much and why is it so louder?
Hmm.
Sometimes, one of my teacher, he told me that I was in a race to be successful. What is success according to you? Someone running in a stadium at a marathon speed, like very fast, and you have just entered. You cannot compare your speed with their speed. You just went there to see. Accept it. You don't have to compare your chapter 1 to somebody else's chapter 10. You
Hmm.
don't know what all they went through to reach there and
Absolutely.
how much effort they have put. And eventually, if you start today and keep putting efforts every day, you will also reach there one day. But that capability, that muscle, you don't have today. But for that, you don't have to start believing that I'm not good enough.
People normally start beating themselves up. They forget about the compassion that they have to
And
show
one
to
more thing,
themselves.
Karisma, what happened is like I invested heavily in my personal development. And when I was not making equal money, I started doubting myself.
Hmm.
Though I have invested very smartly in all the courses that I have taken, and it has benefited me in massive ways. But somewhere when I was not making money, I was comparing with somebody else who had that edge, that they had already speaking skills, public speaking skills, and they knew how to talk. And I was not there, and I'm comparing my investment with their investment. And it was not good for me to compare because they had an advantage of one skill already being mastered. So it took for me a while to understand that it is their journey. I will go with my speed, my own this thing. I will not beat myself for anything. That's when like I started owning my speed, my worth, everything. Okay, fine. उनका हो रहा है चलो अच्छा है. Congratulations.
Good. I like that.
Yeah.
Wonderful. I've seen your journey, Rakhi. I have heard, and I know the way you have invested in your self-development. And
Oh,
it takes a big heart to, do that much, and to hold on and be compassionate enough to yourself to, take your good time to, shine. Wonderful. All right, let's hear it from Anita. It's super.
As shared by Madhulika ma'am, it was a case with me after marriage. Everyone in my in-laws used to say she's lazy, like. And even if I drink tea in the morning, they will talk about that. कि इतना टाइम बैठी रहती है चाय पीने में लगा देती है जल्दी, है ना? तो पहले तो मैं बहुत जैसे लो कॉन्फिडेंस में हो गई थी, ठीक है यार इन्होंने ऐसे ही बोलना है, ठीक है मैं ऐसी हूँ, ठीक है.
Hmm.
But धीरे I started working on myself, how I have to come out of it, like investing in myself, learning lot of things, right? Then if now my confidence has improved, right? And now they don't say anything. I drink tea, spend some time with tea. Now they are aware that she will do the work whatever way. I made
Hmm.
them understand the my way of doing things is different and your way of doing things is different. Now, from that, my confidence has improved a lot.
आई एम तो लकी इनफ कि मेरे को एक्सेप्टेंस बड़ी जल्दी से ही मिल गई थी. आई केम टू दिस हाउस, आई टोल्ड देम I don't know how to cook sabji with this kind of tomatoes. I want that kind of tomatoes, and then those kind of tomatoes start coming in. And then I told them कि, and then they used to actually tag me with ये तो खर्चीली है, बहुत ज्यादा महंगा सामान लेती है हर चीज. And I'm like, हाँ वो तो है, वो तो है.
high
I
maintenance,
accepted
huh?
myself. हाँ.
High maintenance, bho.
Yes, and because of that, my mother-in-law never got anything for me. इसको तो पसंद ही नहीं आएगा, छोड़ दो, पैसे दे दो, सब ले लेगी. And I'm like, thank you, because what she would have bought for me, I would not have want. So I'm glad that she never bought anything for me. But on the other hand, there were times when I used to tell my husband, "हाय भाभी के लिए तो हर महीने मम्मी ना सूट लेके आती है." And my husband is like, "तुझे भी चाहिए क्या वैसा सूट?" I'm like, "नहीं नहीं 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 चाहिए." And I'm like, "हाँ, good good." She gives me money, तू अपना अपने आप खरीद ले जाके. I would put in lots of more money in it, and then I will buy something for myself. So, all right, Komal, what was it that you wanted to share?
Yeah, it was coming from all the sharings, like which Rakhi did. That was about our doing has become the word. Like I feel this really bad that why not I'm worthy. I was even testing that with my husband, but then I have explained that yeah, we have to share responsibilities and all those things as if we have to. But the thing is, when you are, this is very different because maybe we feel like our word should be without anything. It doesn't have to be like Rakhi was saying, with breathing, with being there, with existing. Because when we are not doing anything bad, right? When we are there for them, as a wife, as a daughter, I felt that by doing it, all the places are doing. What is this doing? It was like this, huh? Or I had to say, ma'am, okay, ma'am, I understood. People love labor. I will also do little bit labor. Ma'am was laughing on this. It is like everybody
You would
is
have
competitive.
observed, हमारा कल्चर ऐसा है, जब तक आप किसी के
हाँ,
लिए कुछ करते रहो बहुत वाह वाह मिलती है.
so
वन
much
डे
of
यू डोंट
work.
डू, 90 बार कर दिया, 91st टाइम नहीं किया, तो यू विल हैव
Hmm.
ऑल द बुलशिट ऑन यू. अरे
It's
इसका
like
तो
love.
इतना है, ये तरह.
लव को भूल रहे हैं मतलब लोग हाउस वर्क दिस दैट
फॉर
एवरीथिंग
देम द
अंडरस्टैंडिंग
प्रायोरिटी इज कि मेरा काम हो जाए, दैट्स इट.
हाँ
एवरीबडी इज
मतलब
लिविंग देयर ओन
वी
कोर
वी
वैल्यू सिस्टम.
वी डोंट नो द रूट कहाँ से आ रहा है ये बट वैसा ही है हाउस वर्क में बहुत कंपटीशन हो रहा है कॉर्पोरेट जॉब्स वालों के साथ भी लाइक माय ब्रदर एंड भाभी इज डिमांडिंग दैट भाई शुड आल्सो पुट हिज मतलब जो भी वो भी हेल्प करवाएं हिज एफर्ट्स वेयर एज ही डजंट हैव टाइम उसको ऐसा लगेगा कि अरे ये कैसे मैंने मतलब एक और कोई हेल्प ले लो कुछ और ही इज नॉट सेइंग यू हैव टू डू इट सो इल बी लाइक 15 आवर्स जॉब है तो हाउ कैन आई
हायर
मतलब
अनदर
उसको नहीं
हाउस हेल्प, दैट्स इट.
हाँ तो वो नहीं बोलता ना कंप्लेन इज कमिंग फ्रॉम अदर साइड मे बी शी इज फियरफुल और गिल्टी लाइक अभी मुझे ना बोल देंगे खाना मतलब आप सर्व करो या कुछ उनका अपना फियर और इनसिक्योरिटी वो आगे आ जाता होगा क्योंकि उसको अच्छा लगता होगा बट ही डजंट नो कि मैं बोल दूंगी नहीं मुझे सर्व भी नहीं करना ऑलरेडी कुक इज देयर हेल्प इज देयर शी नोबडी इज सेइंग कि दो लगाना है या चार लगाना है या पांच लगाना है ऑल द थ्योरी शी हैज बट वही इट इज लाइक कंपटीशन और दीज थिंग्स मैंने बोला ना लेजी वाला कि वो पीछे से मम्मा कहती है अब तेरा भी सुने कि तुम्हारा हस्बैंड बोल रहा है उसका भी सुने तो मेरे बच्चे के सारे लेजी थैंक गॉड माई सिस्टर के बारे में भी कमेंट किए जा रहे हैं नॉट फ्रॉम हर साइड बट भाभी साइड दैट इज रियली नॉट सो नाइस थिंग मतलब भाभी लाइक उनके हस्बैंड तो हेल्प करते हैं ब्रदर को भी करना चाहिए मम्मा लाइक उसकी अपनी सेटिंग है उन दोनों ने अपने आप हैंडल किया हुआ है यू ऑल्सो ट्राई कि ब्रदर को लविंग वाला कुछ होगा तो उसका मन करेगा डोंट पुश कि ये करना है मतलब
Everybody
इट्स
has
नॉट
their own, plans.
बट आई
Everybody have
आई
their
फील
own ways of
नथिंग
life.
शुड बी पुशी कि ये करना है लव
Absolutely.
से सब कुछ होता है ना सेम फॉर माई हाउस होल्ड सेम फॉर माई ब्रदर हाउस होल्ड इट इज लाइक गिव लव बी इन लव दैट इज भाग भाग के सब काम करेंगे बच्चे को सिर्फ माँ नहीं करवा लेती है
हाँ,
वो
प्यार से बोलो, सब काम हो जाते हैं.
हाँ यहाँ है सब
All right.
हाउस डोंट मेक अ बिग डील आउट ऑफ हाउस वर्क वो बहुत घरों में हो रहा है बहुत फैमिलीज में इट्स लाइक हस्बैंड वाइफ में मदर इन लॉ से एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स या
All right, let's go to point number 3. One of your core beliefs has been attacked. Someone directly or indirectly attacks one of your core beliefs and you feel the need to defend yourself. This could be religious belief, a political belief, or a more general belief about the world or yourself. The more attached you are to this belief, the stronger your emotional reactions will be. Here is a great example. Because they believed Donald Trump was evil, some liberals had strong emotional reactions after he was elected president. Some shouted and even became violent. On the other hand, many conservatives were delighted by Trump's victory. How come people can react so differently at the same event? This is because of their core beliefs. Both Democrats and Republicans strongly identify with their political beliefs. This led hardcore Democrats to burst into tears and hardcore Republicans to rejoice. Whenever a belief you are strongly attached to is attacked or challenged, you will experience an emotional reaction. The deeper the belief is, the stronger the emotional reaction will be when it is attacked. An extreme example would be someone ready to kill anybody who dares to criticize his or her religion. All right, let's have some shares here on this. When I listened to this one, when I was reading this one, the first line, so when someone directly or indirectly attacks your own core beliefs, you feel the need to defend yourself. So this one is very beautiful line, because I still remember one of the days my daughter told me, she's in Canada, and she tells me, मम्मी आपको पता है आज ना मैंने नॉन वेज खाया. भाई खाया उसने, रोना मैं शुरू हो गई. And then, and actually she had not had it, but she just wanted to, check my pulse. And she was like, and I was like, talk to Papa, I'll be back. And then she's like, Papa, mummy rona shuru ho gayi, mumma rona shuru ho gayi. And then she's like, Papa is like, हाँ हाँ शुरू हो गई. अच्छा नहीं खाया यार, मैं तो देख रही थी अगर मैं खा लूं किसी दिन तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन होगा. So I have a very strong core belief that non-veg should not be taken. And then she's like telling me, अच्छा एक बात बताओ, प्लांट्स खाने से भी तो वो मर रहे हैं, उनको भी तो हम मार रहे हैं, उनके भी तो बेबीज को कट करके खा रहे हैं. बिकॉज सिंस देयर चाइल्डहुड आई वाज फीडिंग देम कि बेटा जस्ट टेल मी, इफ आई कट योर फिंगर, आई कुक इट, how will you feel, and then I we feed you with it, how would you feel, and they will like it will hurt, it will this that. मैं बहुत अच्छे से उनको समझो के रखा था कि नहीं नॉन वेज नहीं खाना है बेटा. अभी बड़े होके अभी वो क्या करते हैं, देन आई वाज लाइक, देन आई वाज लाइक, नहीं तुम 18 years above हो, तुम जो मर्जी करो, इट डजंट मैटर, इट डजंट मैटर. आई केप्ट टेलिंग हर, बट साथ साथ रोती जा रही हूँ, हाय मेरे बच्चे ने नॉनवेज खा लिया, हाय मेरे बच्चे ने नॉनवेज खा लिया. तो दैट इज हाउ यू रिएक्ट when you are emotionally too attached with the core belief that actually is something close to you, right? uh yeah, that was my share on that. Let's hear it from you all. Komal, let's hear it.
Yeah, it is like core beliefs only ना. जो टॉपिक आई वाज शेयरिंग, चाहे इमोशनल होके आई वाज शेयरिंग, देन आई अंडरस्टूड कि उसमें कोर बिलीफ क्या है भाविका, कि बोथ मेन एंड वुमेन इफ बोथ आर वर्किंग बोथ शुड बी प्रोवाइडिंग द हाउस हेल्प, मतलब कि हाउस में घर में काम करवाओ. सो हर पॉइंट इज ऑल्सो राइट. एंड यहाँ पे बस ये कि ब्रदर इज लिटिल बिजी, बट देन आई वाज लाइक मम्मा थोड़ा बोल दो ना कि सिखा देंगे नेक्स्ट टाइम भाई आएगा तो. उनका छोटा सा तो डिमांड है. आई वाज बीइंग कंपैशनेट ऑल्सो कि अरे 2-3 साल से एक ही डिमांड है, सेम सेम थिंग हैपनिंग फ्रॉम ईयर्स. तो मम्मी आप बोल दो ना, क्यों आप ट्रिगर करते हो, क्यों आप कहते हो कि ये नहीं करता था. ये हमारे एग्जाम्पल डिफरेंट हो जाते होंगे, व्हाई नॉट बी डिफरेंट कि हाँ वी अंडरस्टैंड. एंड उनका भी कहीं से बन के आ रहा होगा कोर बिलीफ. टॉपिक इज कोर बिलीफ कहीं से बन के आ रहा है, बिकॉज शादी के टाइम ही पूछ रहे थे कि मैन को खाना बनाना आता है कि नहीं आता. they were asking about it just in fun way. From then I was like मम्मा बोल दो ना लव मैरिज है तो तुम्हें पता ही होगा कितना खिलाते हैं. It was just, but I was trying to understand her need also, that maybe she is feeling insecure, you can say प्यार से कि हायर कर सकते हो, या फिर नहीं भी तो भाई को बोल दो कि हाँ भैया भी नेक्स्ट डे पापा को कॉल कर दे, पापा आपने 20 लोगों का खाना बनाया था क्या सच में. तो मतलब बिकॉज वो घर में बात हुई तो पापा कहते हैं हाँ, मतलब जबकि पापा ने बोला मैंने भी तो 30 years के बाद स्टार्ट किया. एवरीथिंग इज कमिंग फ्रॉम लैक ऑफ लव. लव अगर उनको भी फील हो गया तो शी they both will have better understanding. If that same topic is lingering from 2-3 years, it means they need to have discussions on that, or she needs to feel some safer, or he need to have discussions on that. Because मैंने जब बताया तब भी कुछ हो गया था, अच्छा तुमने कोमल को ऐसे बोल दिया है. डोंट फाइट ऑन सच टॉपिक्स. फाइट की जगह डिस्कशन हेल्दी वाला रहेगा बाय मैन ऑल्सो. लाइक यस मे बी शी मस्ट ऑल्सो बी फेयरफुल कि ये क्या है, कम्पिटिटिव मोड में क्यों जा रहे हो. Like I also had in my communication lack होता है. So it is about core belief where both has to be, बस वही दिख रहा होता है कि love is the answer and core beliefs change करोगे आप कि अरे easy कैसे कर सकते हैं इसी चीज को. Don't think कि मैन को वर्क करना होता है. Don't think कि मैं क्यों करूँ. Think about कि इसको ease कैसे कर सकते हैं situations को. Change your things by more of communication.
Wonderful.
Core beliefs हैं but change it by communication. Yeah. And by being loving. मैं मम्मा को जैसे कह रही थी, मम्मा यू कैन ऑल्सो से कि हाँ आएगा ना इस बार तो हम साथ में उसको थोड़ा बोलेंगे. मे बी फॉर हिज हेल्थ ऑल्सो शी कैन से. नहीं तो ओबीज हो रहे हो आप, ऑफिस ऑफिस कर रहे हो अकेले, कि वॉक पे तो जा रहे हो घर में. मे बी वाइफ लव्स इट. जैसे मेरे हस्बैंड करते थे मुझे भी अच्छा लगेगा. सेम वे कुछ ऐसा बॉन्डिंग भी बनता है आपका.
Hmm.
That way it can be. We don't know now what is the core belief she may be having. Yeah, that is what I can refer. That always we can check upon our belief system and think ki where this thought is coming from.
Wonderful.
Right? Yeah.
Thank you, Komal, for sharing that. Let's hear it from Anita.
I will share later.
ठीक है. Let's hear it from you, Madhulika.
Yeah. Hi, Karishma. So yes, someone directly or indirectly attacks one of your core belief, and you feel the need to defend yourself, to defend your core belief, to defend your identity, because you at that point of time, that core belief, that discussion is so very important that you connect yourself as if this is you and you have to protect yourself. Again, if we go to the starting of the book, the flight and fight, uh, mode, our body comes into that mode whenever there is an attack on ourselves, on our beliefs. Recently I had a discussion with one of my friend. I am 100% core believer of karma. I don't believe much in kismat. I believe it is all karma. It is all your decision that gives you the another pathways, right? Another ways. आप एक डिसीजन लेते हो, ठक 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 बाकी चीजें खुल जाती हैं. आप दूसरा डिसीजन लेते हो, ठक 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 दूसरी ऑप्शंस आपके सामने खुल जाती हैं. So I am that type of person, but one of my friends, she is a hardcore believer of किस्मत. जो होता है भगवान करते हैं, भगवान ने बोला, भगवान ने ऐसा किया. So ये जो अभी जज का केस आ रहा है, इस पे वी वर हैविंग द डिस्कशन एंड शी सेड, बताओ क्या किस्मत थी उसकी, वो गया और आग लगी. मैंने बोला हाउ कैन यू पुट दैट इनटू किस्मत. अमित मतलब ये भी किस्मत है कि आग तब लगी. अगर पहले आग लगती, अगर वो घर में ही होता, तो क्या वो खुद को बचाने के लिए फायर ब्रिगेड नहीं बुलाता. आई मीन कि वो गया और आग लग गई, या घर में रहते हुए भी तो लोगों की आग लग सकती है. सो आई सेड व्हाट इज दिस किस्मत. क्या ये उसकी गलती नहीं थी कि उसके घर में पैसा था. आई मीन दैट वाज 100% हिज ओन एक्शंस. दैट वाज दैट फॉर व्हाट ही इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर, राइट. सो बट देन आई थॉट शी वॉज वेरी मच कि जज पे तो केस भी नहीं हो सकता. हमारे यहाँ पे ये प्रॉब्लम है ना कि जज पे आप केस भी नहीं कर सकते हो, तो देखना वो तो बच जाएगा. आई सेड वॉट एवर इट इज, लेट अस एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, let us agree to disagree. That was my last statement to her. Let us agree to disagree. I mean, if I will force you that agree to my point, I know you're not going to, and you also take this from me, I am not going to agree to your point that everything is kismat. Whether you go for whether you meet an accident, हमारे यहाँ ये बोला जाता है उसकी तो किस्मत थी, वहां ले गई. बताओ, वो तो घर में बैठा था और वहां चला गया और वहां मर गया. No, whenever there is an accident, there is someone at fault. Someone is always at fault. किसी की गलती जरूर होती है, चाहे वो कंस्ट्रक्टर की हो, रोड बनाने वाले की हो, एक स्पीड ब्रेकर ना बनाने वाले की हो, एक लाइट लगाने वाले की ना हो, एक बैड कैलकुलेशन की हो, वट एवर इट इज, बट देयर इज अ मिस्टेक. समवन इज एट मिस्टेक at that point of time. So I ended it by saying, let us agree to disagree.
Because it feels like both the things go side by side. जो
Yeah.
किस्मत वाला काम है वो गॉड का अलग चीज है, और जो आप बोल रहे हैं वो बिल्कुल वो अलग चीज है कि मिस्टेक भी होता है, दोनों चीजें होती हैं, इसलिए कैसे इसमें वो अग्री मतलब
I also
डिसएग्री।
believe that. I
No,
mean,
I तो don't believe at all in Kismat. Seriously, I don't believe at all in Kismat.
किस्मत इज जस्ट अ
Kismat,
कर्मा।
no,
किस्मत
no,
इज
it's
जस्ट
it's nothing. Karma is what you're doing right now. Karma is
प्रीवियस।
nothing. It is, I
व्हाट
think,
अबाउट
it is
प्रीवियस बर्ड्स?
previous birth. Yeah, you're right, Komal, on this part. Previous birth, अगर हम डिस्कस करें इसके दम पे, आपको, आप पैदा होते हो किसी रिक्शा चलाने वाले के घर में, आप पैदा होते हो किसी सब्जी का ठेला लगाने वाले के घर में, बट वो आपके कर्मा होते हैं, आप वहां से भी आईएएस बन के निकलते हो. And there are examples. So right now, whatever your, see, everybody gets a set of paper, है ना, सबके पास सेट, क्वेश्चन थोड़े बहुत ऊपर नीचे हैं, सबका सेट ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही है. लाइफ में सबका वही है, रोना धोना गाना गाना ये वो, माँ बाप बच्चे, किसी के घर में बीमारी है, किसी के घर में पैसे की परेशानी है, किसी के घर में रिलेशनशिप नहीं है, यू नो. बट इट ऑल व्हाट मैटर्स इज हाउ वी respond to that, how we, what decision do we take. अदरवाइज रोने के लिए तो अपनी जिंदगी में भी रोना कम नहीं है. सो दैट इज व्हाट माई पॉइंट इज. किस्मत से आप उसके घर में पैदा, एक की किस्मत बहुत अच्छी है, वो पैदा ही पंडित के घर में होता है, उसके, वो रात दिन पूजा सुनेगा ही सुनेगा, उसको करने की जरूरत नहीं है,
वही कि
है
कोई
ना.
मंक के घर पैदा हो रहा है, कोई
पैदा होता
प्रेसिडेंट
है,
के घर पैदा
हाँ,
हो रहा है,
बट कोई
कोई
जरूरी
बिल्कुल
नहीं है,
एथिस्ट के घर पैदा हो रहा है ना, एथिस्ट के
कोई,
पास, तो
हाँ,
उसकी
बट
वैसी
कोई
जिंदगी
जरूरी
बनेगी।
नहीं है जो एथिस्ट के यहाँ पैदा हो रहा हो वो कभी चेंज ही नहीं हो सकता. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ विल दैट एंड योर एक्शंस
हाँ,
दैट डिफाइन.
एथिस्ट वाला भी क्या पता लिखवा के पिछले जन्मों से रिलीजियस कर रहा हो, तो वो बिल्कुल बुक्स पढ़ रहा हो हिंदू धर्म की, इट इज वेरी मच
You never,
पॉसिबल।
that's what my point is. It is always, this life will be defined by your actions only, not by the kismat only. It
या
कोई
plays
बात
a
नहीं. This is
very,
a topic that is a that
yeah,
is an unending topic, which
unending topic. So let us agree to disagree.
Exactly.
या
All right,
किस्मत इज
let's
जस्ट अ
go. Thank
कार्मिक थिंग,
you.
मतलब वो बन के आ रहा है बस।
Thank you,
व्यू
Madhulika, for sharing that. Let's hear it from Rakhi.
मेरे कुछ खास थॉट्स नहीं है इसके ऊपर।
No, we are talking about the core beliefs जब वो attack होते हैं. We are not talking about, kismat and this.
लाइक कोर बिलीफ्स कैसे बनते हैं, हमारे थॉट्स वॉट एवर वी आर थिंकिंग एंड उसके सपोर्टिंग एविडेंसेस से हमारे बिलीफ्स बनते हैं. एंड जैसे हम छोटे बच्चे थे, बिल्ली रास्ता काटी तो कुछ अच्छा नहीं होता था, तो किसका बिलीफ था, किसी ने बनाया और हम बिलीव करते गए एंड वी स्टार्टेड बिलीविंग इन इट एंड यू स्टार्ट नॉट टेकिंग दैट बिलीफ ट्रू फॉर योरसेल्फ. यू टेल टू योरसेल्फ, अरे जब भी मेरा रास्ता बिल्ली काटता है तो मेरा बहुत अच्छा होता है, एंड यू स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर एविडेंसेस फॉर दैट विल बिकम योर न्यू बिलीफ सिस्टम. वो core belief system, like it can be changed. And if you are not aware and someone attacks you on your core belief, that hurts. And unconsciously you will start to defend. That is very true. ये ऐसा नहीं है, मगर अगर ये सभी चालू होता है. But then if you have to take with a pinch of salt. And nobody is right, nobody is wrong.
Absolutely.
उनके बिलीव्स के, लाइक इफ आई से दैट क्रॉसिंग कैट क्रॉसिंग द रोड is good for me, you might say that it is bad for me. And मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ, बहुत सारे पीछे वाले लोग भी ऐसे ही बोलते थे. And then they also used to tell that if you have a still on your tongue, then whatever you say, it will become bad. So talk better. It was only a way of telling people that you should talk nice. There was a purpose को सभी लोगों ने भूल के डरने लग गए. हाँ, so all these beliefs are like that only.
Oh. Wow. Thank you, Rakhi, for sharing that. Anita, are you ready to share now?
Yes. Regarding core beliefs is that these beliefs everyone is having, and these beliefs are somewhere, if they are different for every person, and they both person come in contact and their opinions will not match. If they are having different beliefs regarding money, I will take one example. Right, in my family, before marriage, my father never let us realize from where money is coming. We were having everything we wanted, and we never thought of how they are managing money, how they are doing everything. Then after marriage, my husband and my in-laws family is like that. Only my husband, I can say, my brother-in-law is not that type of person. My husband ने जो उन्होंने struggle देखा है, उनका belief ऐसा है कि money देख के खर्च करनी चाहिए, right? So that will create quarrel, right? Fight somewhere. But वही जैसे मैम ने, नाम नहीं याद है मुझे, रेनू मैम ने
राखी।
बात शेयर की कि everyone is right. Then I realized that my family's belief system is different and this family's belief system is different. So somewhere we get neutralized.
Even
That is a thing.
it is the same for my family as well, Anita. And I realized that actually, having track of your money is actually a very good habit. And अभी मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को बोलती रहती हूँ, हैव ट्रैक ऑफ योर मनी, यू शुड नो व्हाट आर यू स्पेंडिंग ऑन, यू शुड नो कि आप ग्रोसरी में कितना स्पेंड कर रहे हो, आप फालतू के उसके अंदर फन में कितना, रिक्रिएशन में कितना कर रहे हो, सो दैट यू नो। एंड अभी जब आपको क्रंच आता है तो यू शुड नो कि यहाँ से मैं कम करके यहाँ पे ज्यादा कर सकती हूँ। इट इज वेरी
Right.
इम्पोर्टेंट। इनिशियली आई यूज टू फील कि क्या यार, एक एक रुपया का भी हिसाब लिखते रहते हैं। आई यूज टू फील वेरी इरिटेटेड विद दिस हैबिट, बट इन years I've realized कि एक्चुअली तो ये अच्छी ही बात है। अगर थोड़े से पैसे को मैनेज करना आता होगा तो बड़े मैनेज भी कर पाओगे। दैट इज हाउ आई,
That
यू नो, इवन MMI जितना बड़ा इवेंट था उसके अंदर भी दे वर ट्रेनिंग दैट ओनली कि शुड नो हाउ टू मैनेज योर मनी। छोटे को
even
करोगे।
even in my mother-in-law used to ask, अगर कोई सब्जी भी करते आई है ना, कितने रुपए की है सब्जी, कितनी वो, she manages everything. And in my parents home it does not happen. जितने की आई है कोई कुछ नहीं पूछेगा, ठीक है?
सेम
तो मेरे I also operate from that mindset. I say my parents that you should tell your children where they are spending money, how they should spend money. Everything should be in control. Now that's what perspective has become, that my in-laws' way of managing money is also good, and I try to change my parents now their belief system.
Same for my family, I guess. All are seeing the change in in-laws. In-laws are counting, and parents were not counting somehow. Matlab, it's like coincidence thing. Like it was happening. Now we have to see which one is mine. I feel both have their own ways. They learned from previous generation. Because my daddy did not have too much, so she was like, father got it, so he was like, okay, give to children and spend freely. He can even take loans. He can do anything up for
नहीं, but the
just.
thing is that I now I absolutely believe that you should maintain a journal. You should know where your money is.
But I've heard you should not write how much you are spending. You should write how much you want, like in law of attraction things only.
नहीं,
That
मैं law
कितना,
attraction की बात नहीं रही। I'm just talking about the money management thing.
या वही अपना ओपिनियन। एक टीचर ने बोला कि आपको हर पेनी नहीं लिखना चाहिए, तो आपको वो लिखना है जो आप मतलब यूनिवर्स को बोल रहे हो कि ये मेरा एक्सपेंडिचर होगा इतना, जितना भी। सो यू आर आस्किंग फॉर दैट मनी, मतलब अगेन इट इज विल डिफाइन कि कैसा, कि कितना बिल्कुल मैनेज करना है या नहीं करना एवरी पेनी। हाँ मतलब एवरी पेनी तो कोई भी नहीं करेगा, थोड़ा वी कैन जस्ट हैव मतलब कट ऑफ कि दिस मच इज फॉर दिस मच इज फॉर दिस, वैसे ही कर सकते हो।
Let's understand how to use this emotion to grow. Look at the situations that trigger you. Whenever you feel offended, ask yourself why. What belief led you to defend yourself? Can you let go of this belief? And if this belief really is this belief really true? By doing this, you will learn a great deal about yourself. You will be able to let go of the beliefs that are not serving you well. And you will realize that in most cases, you don't even need to defend yourself. Okay? This is a very beautiful exercise that you can do to grow from, so emotions are going to come and they are going to go as well. But अगर कोई emotion आ गया है, उससे अगर आपको grow करना है, you can ask these questions from yourself. So the 3 questions are, why are you feeling that way? What belief led you to defend yourself? Can you let go of this belief? And is this belief really true? And इससे क्या होगा कि if these belief is not serving you towards your higher good or whatever you are desiring in your life towards your goal, then you can, shift those beliefs as well. You can actually make yourself understand. For the ones who have the book, I would love for them to refer to the exercises in the corresponding section of the book. That is section number 4, how to use your emotions to grow, getting defensive. And whenever you become defensive, remember to ask yourself the following questions. What am I trying to protect here? Can I let go of that belief? What would I be without that belief? Wow, this is
Even
also
this belief, we were agreeing or disagreeing that should write about expenses or not. We can check on what is like our behavior pattern telling us on this. Like
absolutely.
what are the fears behind this? मतलब writing के क्या benefit? Answer will come by writing only.
Exactly.
Yeah, definitely.
So
Any
if you do
belief.
not
want to
have
know
the
your
book,
thoughts.
sorry,
I want to know your thoughts. Why do you want to write all your expenses?
me,
Hmm.
so that I know. So I have started doing that recently only. So now I know ki how much the Zomato person is like taking away from me, how much I am spending on my education, how much I'm spending on, the internet bills and everything. What am I spending on the household chores? What am I spending on the giftings to people? So when I know that, अगर मेरे को कहीं पे ट्वीकिंग करनी होगी तो इट विल बी सो मच इजियर फॉर मी टू नो कि अच्छा मेरे को यहाँ पे ज्यादा करना है तो व्हाट इज इट दैट आई नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ
I
और
used to do it big time for 12-15 years. Recently, I felt like मेरे से नहीं होगा. I stopped it actually.
नहीं we went to MMI and they gave a very beautiful formula of putting have money to have money jars जैसे हमारे
Just
पुराने जमाने
recently,
में होते थे.
yesterday, day before yesterday, I came back from MMI. Second time, yeah.
So, I don't know, from there itself, because of the card that I'm reading every day, that I manage my money very well, the kind of a thing I'm doing. So I thought that at least I should know. Because earlier I was such a callous person to talk about money, and I was like, yeah, मुझे क्या करना आ रहा है जा रहा है
Hmm.
क्या करना है? Why should I be bothered about it?
Hmm.
But then I realized that I don't actually know कि कहाँ से आता है और कहाँ चला जाता है. So that is
Hmm.
why I started writing. Ki, let me understand what is money, where is it coming from, how do I feel about it, and all of that. And
So true that 72 money belief systems, no? Money
yes,
beliefs. Those
yes,
are so important, yeah.
absolutely. So I thought कि हाँ अगर मैं only if I understand how to मैनेज ये 20-25 हजार जो हर महीने मेरे अकाउंट में आ रहे हैं देन ओनली आई वुड नो ना कि 1 लाख 1 करोड़ भी कैसे मैनेज करना है. सो लेट मी
Hmm.
स्टार्ट द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ मैनेजिंग माई मनी फ्रॉम टुडे ओनली. देन
Hmm.
ओनली द यूनिवर्स विल अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ 25 हजार आता है तो 50 देना शुरू करता हूँ.
Huh. So what I do is carelessly I used to put the change somewhere and then I used to put some in my wallet and some used to be there lying in the drawer. Those things like I have stopped. I will put neatly arranged in the wallet and all the coins in the different box.
हाँ
So
व्हाट आई वुड डू वाज कि जहां पर मेरे को कोई कॉइन इधर उधर गिरा मिला जहां जो सामने ड्रॉर होगा वहीं पे रख दूंगी चल रहा है यहाँ पे रख के. आई वुड
hmm,
नेवर रिस्पेक्ट दैट. आई वुड बी लाइक
hmm,
चिल्लड़ ही तो है चिल्लड़ ही तो है. नाउ आई बिकम रिस्पेक्टफुल टुवर्ड्स मनी की यार वाओ. अरे एंड नाउ आई स्टार्टेड सीइंग इट एज अबंडेंस. और आज सुबह से कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था अरे वाह आज तो अबंडेंस दिख ही नहीं रही है. व्हाट हैपेंड टू द मनी जो इधर उधर गिरा रहता था.
yeah, and then I have started practicing putting 100 rupees every day as a practice.
Yes, that's what
For
I'm
now I
doing
have
as well.
started. Yeah, it's a great thing. Yeah.
So that's what makes me, write my budget now. Anybody wants to
Hmm.
share anything?
Those who were like when I was talking about not writing, it was because some people start getting stress and tension out of writing. तो वो हो जाता था कि ठीक है इतना काउंट क्यों कर रहे हो. Like I saw my parents like service जो भी है ना, दैट दे वुड काउंट एवरी पेनी, वो भी लिखते, कभी लिख रहे हैं देखो, कभी तो बिल्कुल फ्री हो गया, आई टोल्ड यू,
मेरा
बोथ
तो
हैबिट्स
उल्टा
ही
है,
had।
मेरे मम्मी पापा दोनों वर्किंग थे एंड दे ओनली डोंट राइट, दे लाइक क्या करना
वही
है।
सेम, मोस्ट टाइम्स दे डिड नॉट राइट। जब उनको लग रहा है कि कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया है, या इन द सेंस दे आर ओनली राइटिंग व्हेन दे आर फीलिंग समथिंग इज गॉन और समबडी टुक और मिसप्लेस्ड है, तो वो राइटिंग करते हैं, फिर वो हैबिट पड़ जाता था 3-4 मंथ्स। तब हो जाता था, अच्छा पापा कहते हैं यहाँ पे ये लग रहा है, वो लग रहा है, फिर कुछ मैस होने लग गया, फिर मॉम को अकाउंटेबिलिटी देना पड़ेगा, तो आई दे वर लाइक ओके डोंट बी इन दैट। इधर यू शुड नो कि इतना ड्रेसेस पे इतना
Have you
स्पेस।
introduced money system for your children? Unka bank account and all that?
Who, me?
Yeah.
No, but my daughter, the elder one who is earning money in Canada, she does that. She saves
Okay.
money, she does this ki,
You
हाँ,
have such a big daughter?
huh?
You have such a big daughter?
Yes, she's in college.
Wow. आप तो लगते नहीं हो यार.
20 years या
Beautiful.
something maybe।
She is,
Beautiful.
thank
मस्त. Hmm. Nice. That's
She's
great. My daughter turned 15, so I was thinking of introducing a bank account to her. So I was still thinking, okay, कौन सा बैंक क्या करके.
My youngest daughter is 14 years old.
Oh, okay. The 2011 born, is it?
Yes.
Oh, she is 10.
No,
I
she's
think we are
14.
2000?
She's 2011.
Yeah. Mine is
January.
2010. Yeah. Mine is 2010 March.
Hmm. All
Hmm.
right. Anybody wants to share anything before we
I
close
think
this?
yeah.
Tell me. All right. Thank you, each one of
all
you, for
good।
joining in. Thank you, Madhulika, Komal, Anita, and Rakhi. It was a beautiful discussion that we had today. It's so beautiful to have more people in the room, right? All right.
Yes.
Tomorrow we will be reading about stress and worry. That is chapter number 22. I'm looking forward to have each one of you tomorrow as well. Till then, take good care of yourself, stay blessed, and I love you all. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, take care, bye bye।
Okay.